everyone, and welcome to the English Conversation Practice Podcast.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sophie. On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English in a simple and friendly way.
Yes, and today we have a very interesting topic. Sophie, have you ever noticed that talking about your job in English can be a little tricky?
Oh, yes. Sometimes it's hard to find the right words. But don't worry, we're going to make it really simple and fun for you today.
That's right. By the end of this conversation, you'll feel confident to tell anyone about your job in English, and maybe even share a little about your daily life.
So, before we start, please, if you like our videos, click the subscribe button and like this video. It really helps us bring more lessons to you.
Yes, thank you. And now, let's dive in. Today, we're going to talk about our jobs. I think it's a topic everyone can relate to.
Definitely. So, Alex, what do you do? What is your job?
I'm a web developer. I work from home and make websites look nice.
Oh, that's interesting. Can you tell us more? What does a web developer do exactly?
Sure, I design websites, make logos, and sometimes fix technical problems. I use the computer a lot.
That sounds creative. You can make things that look beautiful on the internet.
Yes, I love being creative, but sometimes it can be stressful too. If a client doesn't like my design, I have to try again.
Oh, I understand. Changing things again and again can be tiring, but it's part of the job, right?
Yes, it is. And you, Sophie, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher. I teach children between 6 and 10 years old.
Children. That must be fun, but sometimes loud.
Oh, yes, very loud sometimes. But it is also very rewarding. When a child learns a new word, I feel very happy.
That's wonderful. So our jobs are different, but we both enjoy them in our own ways.
Exactly. And today, we're going to talk about how to explain your job in simple English. We'll show you phrases and words you can use every day.
Yes, and we'll also explain some vocabulary naturally while talking, so you can learn without feeling like it's a lesson.
So, let's start with a simple question you can ask anyone. What do you do? Or, what is your job?
And the answer can be simple too. I am a web developer, or I am a teacher.
Yes, exactly. And then you can explain a little more. I design websites, or I teach children English.
Perfect. Okay, Sophie, can you tell me more about your typical day as a teacher?
Sure. So I usually arrive at the school at 8:15 in the morning. I prepare my books and my classroom before the children arrive.
Oh, that's early. And the children come at what time?
They come at 8:30. First, we say hello and sing a good morning song. It's very cheerful and fun.
That sounds nice. Every day?
Yes, every day. Then we start learning new words. Last week, we learned food words: apple, banana, bread, milk. Very important words.
And do you play games with them too?
Yes, we play small games with the new words. It helps them remember. And they love games a lot.
I remember when I was a child, I loved games too.
I believe it. After the games, we take a short break. The children run, play, and eat a small snack.
That sounds fun. And then?
After the break, we read a short story. Then we do a little writing, and finally, we say goodbye.
Wow, that's a busy morning.
Yes, but very fun. The day goes quickly.
That's great. And my typical day, well, I start at 9. First, I check emails and drink my coffee, of course.
Important. Coffee first, work later.
Exactly. Then I look at my tasks for the day. I design websites, make logos, and sometimes talk to clients on the phone.
That sounds interesting. Every day is a little different, I guess.
Yes, exactly. Some days are very busy, some days are calm. I also take short breaks and sometimes walk around to rest my eyes.
Oh, I do that too. Looking out the window is very relaxing.
And sometimes I talk to my cat.
Tell me about that.
I say, "Do you like this color?" And he usually says, "Meow." I think that means yes.
Or maybe he's hungry.
Probably both, but it's fun. It makes the workday more enjoyable.
I like that. And at school, I sometimes talk to my coworkers about teaching ideas.
Oh, yes, coworkers. That's a good word for your viewers. A coworker is a person you work with, right?
Exactly. I have 5 coworkers, but we mostly talk on the computer or during meetings.
That's nice. And I have a team too. We have meetings every Monday to discuss our projects. Sometimes long, sometimes short.
Meetings can be fun or serious, depending on the topic.
Yes, and I also have a boss who sometimes brings cookies. That makes the meeting better.
Cookies always help. I think that is a kind and friendly boss.
Yes. And Sophie, what skills do you need for your job?
Skills. I need patience, kindness, and organization. Children ask the same questions many times. I need to plan my lessons well.
I see. And for me, I need creativity, computer skills, and patience too. Sometimes clients change their minds, many times.
Sounds familiar, but that's part of being good at your job.
Yes, exactly. And we both enjoy our jobs, even if some days are difficult.
So, Alex, what is the best part of your job?
Hmm. I think the best part is creating something new. I make logos and websites from nothing. It feels amazing when a client likes my work.
That must feel really good. And for me, the best part is the children. They are so curious and happy.
I can imagine. And the most difficult part for you?
Sometimes when the children are sad or they cry, it's hard. But I always try to help them.
Yes, that is difficult. For me, the hardest part is when a project is very big. It can take a long time and feel stressful.
I understand. But in the end, it is rewarding, right?
Absolutely. And speaking of rewarding, do you prepare lessons on the weekends sometimes?
Sometimes, yes. I prepare lessons for the next week. It takes a few hours, but it helps me feel ready.
I do a little work on the weekend too, sometimes. I check emails or sketch ideas for new projects.
That's very responsible of us. Responsibility is an important word for our viewers. It means something you have to do because it is your job or duty.
Yes, like finishing a project or helping your students. Very important.
And what about your workspace, Alex? Do you like working from home?
Yeah, most of the time. I can wear comfortable clothes and work in a quiet place. But sometimes I feel a little lonely without coworkers around.
That's understandable. I like being at school with children and coworkers, but it can be very loud sometimes.
Yes, I can imagine. And what about your classroom? What is it like?
It's colorful. There are books, toys, and a big world map. Children love pointing to countries and asking, "Teacher, what is this?"
That's wonderful. And your students sing songs too, right?
Yes, we sing songs about days of the week, weather, and other fun topics.
Sounds like a lot of energy. But I like that. Energy and fun make a job enjoyable.
Absolutely. And we also talked about routines today. Do you remember that word?
Yes, a routine is the usual way you do things every day, like your class routine. Hello song, learning new words, games, break, story, and goodbye.
Exactly. And my morning routine includes walking to school and preparing everything before the children arrive.
And my routine includes checking emails, drinking coffee, and looking at my tasks for the day.
Routines help us stay organized and focused.
That's very true. And now let's think about projects. Alex, what is your current project?
Right now, I'm making a logo for a new coffee shop called The Happy Bean. It's a smiling coffee cup. The client wants brown and orange colors.
That sounds fun and creative. Children would love that design too.
Maybe I can teach them how to draw logos one day.
That would be wonderful. And Sophie, what's your current teaching project? I'm preparing a lesson about animals for young children. We will sing, draw, and learn new words. It is very exciting. We both have projects that keep us busy and happy.
Yes, and that is the beauty of our jobs. Creative, fun, and sometimes challenging.
Alex, we've talked a lot about our daily work, but tell me, do you have any challenges in your job sometimes?
Yes, sometimes a project is very big or complicated. It can take a long time, and I need to focus a lot.
I understand. For me, teaching can be very loud and busy, but it's also fun and rewarding.
That's nice. I like how teaching gives you energy, even if it's tiring.
Yes, children are full of energy. And what about your favorite part of your job?
I enjoy creating something new and seeing the final design make my client happy. That feeling is great.
I love seeing my students learn new words or sing a song correctly. That makes me very happy.
So we both have rewarding moments in our work, just in different ways.
Exactly. And it's important for our viewers to notice small successes in their own work or learning.
That's a good point. Every little step matters, whether it's learning English or finishing a task at work.
Yes. And today we used some useful words: client, rewarding, coworker, convenient, skills, routine, project, and responsibility.
Remember, it's okay if you don't remember all of them today. Try to learn one or two new words and use them.
And practicing a little every day makes a big difference. It's like building a project step by step.
Right. And for our viewers, we have a question. What is your job, or what is your dream job?
Write it in the comments. For example, you can say, I am a student, or I want to be a doctor.
And you can practice our sentences too, like I am a, or I work from home.
Don't worry about mistakes. They help you learn.
Yes, keep practicing and speaking English every day. Even small steps are important.
You are doing a great job just by watching and listening today.
Aw, learning English can be cozy and fun, just like our conversation.
Thank you so much for joining us on the English Conversation Practice Podcast. If you enjoyed today's video, please click the like button and subscribe.
We post daily English learning videos, so subscribe and don't miss any.
Share this video with a friend who is learning English too. Learning together is more fun.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone, and have a wonderful day.